Assalamu alaikum. Hi guys. Today I'm coming with a short video. Okay, this is very short. See this plan. Uh, Sometimes we want to dimension this circle, uh, uh, curve, length, length of road, length of line, arc like this. Okay, width like this from here to here. So we sometimes we forget the shortcut command, or sometimes we cannot find the tools to uh, dimension this circle or arc or curve. So you can do all of this in one comment. Okay, no need circle, rectangle, something like this. See, if you see the annotate, you just go to annotate. See, there is lots of dimension: ordinate, jog diameter, radius, arc length, angular, alignment, linear. Okay, so if you want to click one by one and make dimension, it took lots of time. Okay, forget all of these things and choose this dimension from here. This dimension, if you click this dimension and you just click or come to near of line like this, the dimension will show you, and then you just click and drag wherever you want, just drag it. Okay, this is very simple. Also, see the curve, see the circle, you just come near of circle, top of circle, over of circle, and just you will see the radius and click and drag wherever you want. Same like also curve, just click and drag and put wherever you want. See, also see the from here to here, if you see the width, just click and drag. Okay, see this line from here to here, just you need to come top of the over of the line and click and drag it. Okay, also curve like this. So this is the very easy tools, and the shortcut command dim. Okay, I'll show you. D I M and hit enter. See, there is, and hit enter and get start. Okay, in one click you can do dimension with your whole plan. Okay, this is very easy and simple. So I hope you guys like my videos. I hope it's very helpful. Okay, thank you for watching. Keep supporting me. Allah Hafiz.